Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Mushroom Portobello with Scallop. Normally you will see this with bacon. Today we will make this dish with scallop. Very simple to cook and enjoy. Let's go cooking. Here's the ingredients you will need. Take out the stems of the mushrooms. You may use these stems for other dishes like frying an omelette. And that's all for the preparation when the cooking begins. At medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the mushroom, base down, and cover with a lid to cook faster. Cook until the mushroom is softened. You can use your fingers to tap and check. Turn the mushroom over and cook till slightly charred. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Put in the scallops and cook until golden brown. While cooking, sprinkle some salt and pepper for taste. Once it's golden brown, add in 1 tablespoon of butter and squeeze the lemon juice. Once the butter starts to dry up, remove the scallop and the gravy. We are using oven toaster to finish this dish. Add in some gravy to the tray. Put the mushroom on top. Add some cheese. Place 1 scallop on each mushroom. And add the gravy again. Put in more cheese on top. It's better to use shredded cheese. Preheat the oven and put in the tray. Your goal is to melt the cheese. After a while, it's done. That's it. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!